Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Shabby B here with my wash day before and after video. Not my wash day routine because I don't have one. I just wash my hair for them to get clean, and that's that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So let me give you a quick 360 of what my locks look like before wash. Yeah. Some of my retwists did not hold up. Yeah, them just do them one thing on like this one. Me here no wash it and like I'm gone back to original state. But some are well out. Yeah. And yeah, so that's the 360 of my locks before wash. So I'm gonna wash and then you will see my after wash. Now I'm starting off the wash with just water, ensuring that my locks is like fully saturated and everything before I go in with the shampoo or anything at all. Now I do this for a good minute or two before I start with the shampoo. Now here I'm going in with the shampoo. I don't use any specific shampoo for my locks. I just use whatever I can get my hands on, and that will work for me. I just want to know that my locks is being washed. I would not go for something that like someone would say like this cause buildup or anything, but I just go for, I don't know of any of that, so I just go for any shampoo that I get my hands on at home. And yeah, I normally do about 2 to 3 wash depending on how dirty I feel my hair is, and I know the spots that are typically like dirty or scalpy, so I would focus on those areas. As you see, I was going mainly to the front of my hair because I know I have a lot of scalp and stuff right there. Now I'm going in, just rinsing out the shampoo, and I do a thorough rinse when I'm doing this. Like yeah, I was under there for a good 3 minutes or so before I stop rinsing. And I do a little scrub as I rinse to get any areas or to feel out my hair and see how my scalp is feeling as I rinse. Now there I'm getting the front. I don't use edge control or anything where I have to wash it, like focus on the front to wash out that, but I do focus on the front to wash out my scalps, that because that's where I notice they mostly are, not to the back of my hair or anything. So yeah, finish rinsing and that's that.
1 hour later.
So it's still damp. So yeah, this is the after. Like I have this one. Now after wash and my hair dry, I did use my spirit bottle with aloe vera oil and water to moisturize and seal in the moisture. So that's it for my wash day, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down in the comment section. And also gonna follow my Instagram page at shabby_b. Thank you for watching. See you next time.